point z. I will come to the point. Actually, my point is linear equations. So to bring them to that one, instead of dash plus 7 is equal to 15, I say now x plus 7 is equal to 15. So children will say definitely. Instead of filling the blank, they will say that x equal to this much. I got the answer. That is, this is an oral way, that is nothing but a trial and error method. What I have just said, I know. X plus 7 is equal to 250 is a trial and error method. But I want a mathematical method which should be generalized method, which should be useful to you in any way. That is a deductive approach. Till now, I have conducted the inductive approach. Now let us go to the deductive approach, because to solve the problems we need it. So here are two papers of equal weight, almost. This is some x. This is some x. Okay. Is two coins are there here. X number of coins, we don't know x. Definitely it will be it will not be equal equation. It is imbalanced. There are two things. One is unknown quantity x, and here is two coins. So I can give an additional information that this is an inequation. This is an equation which you learned in the previous classes, less than and greater than. Just we can understand that. After that, some x, some 2. Fill the blank in between them. Either greater or lesser. This x is greater than this one or lesser. Because it is coming downwards. Okay, definitely x is greater than 2. Now, it is not balanced. 3, 4, 5. 6. I think almost. I did not remember actually. I put in random in the paper. Almost is balancing. Let us see now whether it is 6 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 equal to 6. That is x equal to 6. In the same manner, we can explain them. That is, suppose some x is there here. X is 6 now. Plus 2. X plus 2. Right, guys, sir. X plus 2 is equal to 8. X is in the paper. Plus 2. To make it equal, I am making both the things in equal number of times. But we want the value of x. Already we know x equals 6. There are two ways. Either you have to remove from the two things. That is accuracy. Students agreed that if we add or subtract two equal quantities in both the pairs, equilibrium will not change. That condition. So what I am doing now? I am subtracting 2 on both sides of the equation. 8 minus 2. 6 is the answer. In this way, we can do. The same matter. By means of addition also we can do. This is an example for subtraction model. Addition also we can do. By adding something, that is, if it is more than this one, for example, Now it is in equilibrium, not in the equilibrium position. It is higher. This is excel than this quantity RHS. So these also having two choices. Either we should add these two things, add something here, or subtract from something here. So just now we did a subtraction. By means of addition also we can do it. 1, 2 can balance. So in this way we can introduce a linear equation to the children so that everything will be visible to them. It is a practical example and almost it is faultless because it is a common balance. If it is spring balance, it may have some kind of errors, but common balance won't have errors. And in this way, we can explain the concept of linear equation. There is some other way also, but I try to do this with this one. And after that, finally, I will explain some important words using mind mapping by writing simple equation at the center and the connecting words, variables, common balance, LHS, RHS, equality, solution, rules, all these things. Finally, I sum up the lesson by saying all these words once again loudly and making them to learn the spellings. So in this way, I conclude the lesson. Thank you, sir.
Sir, what about this?